Hi, I'm Mark Schilling, and this short video explains how the net asset value, or NAV per share, of Majedie Investments PLC is produced. It's extremely important for any shareholder of an investment trust to know that the NAV reflects the true market value of the assets they own. Net asset value is, by definition, the net value of an investment fund's assets minus any liabilities. For Majedie Investments, we have adopted a proven pricing policy for each of the three component strategies. By way of reminder, these are direct investments in public equities, allocations to funds managed by external managers, and special investments. For direct investments, approximately 20 to 25% of the holdings in Majedie Investments PLC are in liquid securities, all of which listed on recognized stock exchanges. They are priced in real time through data vendors such as Bloomberg or Reuters, which feed straight into the net asset value calculation. For external managers, we invest in funds managed by exceptional third-party managers, which take various forms and formats. Approximately 60% of the portfolio is via external managers today. Regardless of the structure and domicile, every fund in which we invest has an independent third party verifying the valuation, and at least as frequently as the fund itself is open for subscriptions and redemptions. So we know that Majedie is getting into or out of a fund at a fair and accurate price. Furthermore, prior to investing, we use a specialist due diligence firm to help understand and approve external managers' pricing policies. Most of the time, this is very straightforward because the managers themselves invest primarily in listed securities that are priced on a screen. Sometimes we assess whether a fund owns any less liquid assets, so-called level 3, and if so, how they get valued. To be clear, we do not invest in funds that self-price their own books, or where there is no independent valuation. All external managers' funds will be audited annually, which provides a further layer of validation. And every external managed fund in which we invest produces a net asset value at least once a month. For special investments, these investments can take various forms and structures. A special investment in a listed security will be priced in the same manner as a direct investment, whereas if the special investment is made through a fund structure or a special purpose vehicle, there will be an established pricing policy. Once again, we rely upon a dependable valuation, which is produced at least once a quarter. Sometimes, due to the verification process, there is a bit of a lag for special investments, which may take a few weeks, but this is the exception rather than the norm. Just as relevant, Majedie's assets are held in custody by a blue-chip depository, JP Morgan, Europe. Based on the protocol I have just described, we are in a position to produce an estimate of the month-end net asset value per share, usually within 10 days or so of that month end. By the last week of each month, we can confirm the final valuation for the prior month and at the same time release an estimate of mid-month net asset value per share. So, Majedie's shareholders can be assured that their assets are in safe hands, and that the net asset value we publish presents an accurate reflection of the market value. Because we don't invest in venture capital, private equity, real estate, or any other deeply illiquid, hard-to-value assets, there should be no subjectivity around the NAV. Thank you for watching.